guys, hello everyone. Today we are in city center of Bogotá, the capital of Colombia. Sorry for the noise on the background. Here we can see some horses' heads of the horses, and very strange faces, and the monuments on the column. Quite strange, very weird, cringe, strange, and ridiculous. Right now we are in a city center. It has a name Candelaria, this area. City center of Bogota. You can see the skyscrapers. Fantastic, very high. Nobody stay here. And around city there is a lot of mountains. You can see the church now here on the top of the hill. And some monuments with the stars. I think I have been there. One of the places, it's called Montserrat. I was there almost a month ago. I took a cable car road and I was having a fantastic panorama place to look at all city. Here we can see the street art, the woman with the baby, and very strange monuments with no title, just strange, absolutely. Modern art. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give me a like, write me nice comments, please share this video with your friends, and push the bell near the button subscribe, make it in a black color. I'm traveling around the world 9 years, and soon, after 2 weeks, it's gonna start my third year in Latin America. Right now we are in Colombia, in the capital of this country. We can see the big public buses. With the bad weather, we are walking in a city today. Have a good day, guys. See you at the end of the world. Thank you for watching.